Congratulations on your switch to renewable energy with ES Solar. Throughout the next few months, we will be working diligently to ensure that every step of your installation is handled with expertise and efficiency. Let's take a look at a general overview of our installation process. Your installation journey begins with securing a net metering agreement. This agreement allows you to receive energy credits towards your electricity bill from the excess solar energy your system produces and sends back to the grid. Next, our skilled engineering team designs a custom solar solution tailored to your home. We conduct a detailed site assessment to determine the optimal panel placement and system configuration, ensuring maximum efficiency and performance. After you approve your solar design plan, we take the control of navigating local regulations and obtaining the necessary permits, ensuring that your project complies with all regulations and codes. Once those permits are approved, our certified installers get to work. We pride ourselves on high-quality installations, handling every detail, with minimal disruption to your daily life. After your installation, we arrange for all required inspections to ensure the system meets the top standards. With your system in place and inspections passed, we finalize the net metering setup with your utility company that was started from the first step of your journey. This ensures that you start receiving those credits for the excess energy your system generates, optimizing your energy savings. The final technical step is commissioning your system. This means that it's time to activate your system and set up monitoring to track its performance in real time. At ES Solar, our goal is to make your transition to solar energy as smooth and beneficial as possible. We will be here to handle every step of the installation process with professionalism and care. For any questions, or if you are ready to learn more, check out our blogs and videos at essolar.com.